Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda BL3 SP25 Sedan. Stock reference number 4564. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side, the front and the rear. With the left hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre, left power door mirror, indicator type. Left front door appears to have no damage. You have the left hand sill skirt, SP25 type. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Unfortunately, nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right hand sill skirt. Right front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Black leather center console lid. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Dual zone climate control heater controls. Factory 6-stack CD player. Interior mirror. Courtesy lamp. Sunglass holder type. Left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.